Here's a quick tutorial on how to use the AQUABIZ app, organized by feature. 1. Dashboard. This is your home screen. It provides an overview of your business performance, including sales, expenses, and other key metrics. 2. Sales and invoicing. Creating a sale, click Add New. Choose either cash or credit sale. The invoice number is automatically generated. Add products, and the AI will suggest descriptions. Printing. Print invoices on standard or thermal paper. Managing sales. View, edit, or delete past sales in the sales history. 3. Accounts receivable. Are tracking credit sales. All credit sales are automatically recorded here. Recording payments. Log customer payments against outstanding balances. Statements of account. Generate and send statements to customers. Transaction history. Review all accounts receivable transactions with options to edit or delete. 4. Inventory management. Master list. Add, edit, and manage products with starting stock levels. Stock receiving. Update stock levels when new supplies are received. Automatic depletion. Inventory is updated automatically when a sale is made. 5. Financial tracking. Expenses. Record daily expenses. Reports. Generate sales, expense, and profit and loss reports to monitor financial health. 6. Maintenance. Master list. Clients. Manage your customer database. Companies. Manage your company information. Suppliers. Maintain your supplier list. Staff. Manage staff records. Business profile. Customize business details for receipts. 7. Reports. Accounts receivable. Aging. View outstanding customer balances. Inventory status. Check current stock levels. Sales by customer. Analyze sales performance by customer. Sales by product. Analyze sales performance by product. Payments received. Review all received payments. Expense report. Get a detailed breakdown of expenses. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the AQUABIZ support team. Thank you.